DeepL AI. Have you ever shared an important document only to realize the translation sounded awkward or even change the meaning entirely? Miscommunication can damage your reputation, especially in business or legal contexts. That is where DeepL changes everything. DeepL is one of the most accurate AI-powered translation tools in 2025, achieving around 89% accuracy. Unlike basic translators that produce robotic text, DeepL understands context, tone, and style, so your message keeps its intended meaning. Whether it is a contract research paper or a marketing campaign, DeepL ensures your words sound natural and professional. It currently supports 33 languages, focusing on European and key Asian languages. While this is fewer than some competitors, its precision for specialized content, like legal, academic, or technical documents, makes it the go-to choice for professionals. DeepL is also incredibly versatile. You can translate unlimited text or even full PDF, Word, and PowerPoint files without losing formatting. The custom glossary feature lets you maintain consistent terminology across translations, which is perfect for industries that rely on precise wording. Accessibility is another strong point. DeepL is available as a desktop app, browser extension, or even through an API for integration into your business tools and websites. Plus, DeepL Pro ensures privacy by encrypting translations and deleting data after processing, keeping you compliant with GDPR and other security standards. The free version is great for casual use, but if you handle sensitive information or need professional features, the Pro plan is worth considering. While it does not yet cover as many languages as Google Translate, its unmatched quality makes it ideal for anyone who values accuracy over quantity. Call to action. Do not risk misunderstandings with poor translations. Try DeepL today and experience reliable, fluent translations that protect your message and your reputation.